Hello everyone, it's Linda from Filming Studio. Welcome back to the channel and to my design team project for February. So I know we're well into March, but I have a bit of a tale of woe. First of all, my printer really has finally died. Mr. Mac reckons he's got one last throw of the dice, and to be honest with you, I'm kind of hoping it's not going to work because I've got my eye on an eco tank. And the printer's old. I mean, it's well over 12 years old, we reckon. So, I think it's done its duty. So anyway, but what happened was I managed to nurse it along enough to print out the kit for this project, and it's the Floral Jubilee kit from Cara, and I'm going to link you direct down to that because I haven't actually done a go through of the kit, so apologies for that. But if you go onto that link at the beginning, you'll just see Cara flipping straight through it and you'll be able to see the pictures as well. So anyway, I was left with a set of printouts, single-sided, and there was no way I could risk putting them back through to print the backs. So I thought, I know what I'd do. I'll make a ring-bound journal. Ha-ha! And I'll fold my pages over. And I realise now, this was my panic. Oh, what am I going to do? I'll make a ring-bound journal. But of course, I could have backed them, couldn't I? I could have backed them with coffee-dyed paper, something like that. And maybe stitched around them. But to continue the tale of woe, I have managed to break 3 needles on my sewing machine, one after the other, one afternoon. So I've got more ordered, and that's no biggie. I have actually worked out why it happened, so that's good. But yeah, I mean, it just has been a tale of woe, even to the extent that I had to hand make my whole reinforcers because my reinforcer punch is also broken. Now, and I'm not a woman who breaks things. It's just been one of those, one of those months. So anyway, here we are. So I'm using this as my cover. It may only be temporary. And I found this beautiful file folder in a charity shop. It was a gardener's journal. So I've taken out all the stuff that was in it and put that in another file. So let's have a quick flick through for you and show you. So I've left the front for now. As I say, 1, because I'm not sure it's going to stay, and 2, because I just loved that anyway. Love what you grow, and what you love will grow. So let's open it up and put my inside pocket here. I'm sorry, that's shiny. Let's take her out of the way. My inside pocket here, I've used a page from a gardening book. So I've made the pocket and then this journaling card from the gardening book, and I've backed that with some coffee dyed paper that's lined. And I've gone a bit cluster bad. Over in my Facebook group, last Sunday's live, we were making clusters, so I had quite a lot of clusters made. So you'll see that they've appeared through this journal. That was a spare odd bit of page that I did have, one that went wrong in the printing. So I've managed to make another journaling card from that. And then that's a postcard that's been in my stash for ages, an advertising postcard. So I have just covered up the text on the back of that. But lots and lots of journaling space on these cards. Because the pages on the kit are so busy and I haven't added in much else, there's not a lot of writing space within this journal as such. Anyway, so here we go, page 1, this beautiful rose, and then I've got an envelope which is from the kit, and I've added on my own little flower sticker and some bits and pieces, and then inside got a couple of bits of ephemera from the kit. So that lives like so. Okay, so that's kind of where we are on that page. So over here, so there was this big kind of empty circle, which of course I could have journaled in or whatever, but I filled it with a fabric cluster and left this page free. Now this is my absolute, I think my favourite image from the whole kit. And I've made a little bookmark here using a bit of this image as well. Just some simple organza ribbon ties. And this little lady on the back, and I love her. I just love that image. And normally when I'm printing a kit, I print out at least 2 pages of the ephemera, so I've got lots to play with, and I only had the one, so she only appears once. A little bit of lace there, and then here I've made another sort of clustery thing, and those bits are not from the kit. A lot of these are from Andrea Artie Mays, but I needed some extra bits and pieces. So I've got 2 tags here. These are both from the kit, and just done a little bit of extra on the back there for a wee bit of detail. So they sit there. This is a corner bookmark, and this lovely little postcard is from the kit, so that's living there. I've made a little tuck spot here, so you could, tuck that in there and add something up the top, whatever you fancy, or I might just actually just glue that down as a decoration now, I think. So on the other side of the bookmark, I've got this lovely journaling card, this beautiful image from the kit. I think this will be a soap label. I'm pretty sure it's a soap label. Then I've just added a couple of labels and a flower, and I've backed it with some, that's, what's the word, recycled paper, recycled lined paper. That's that. So on this page, I've left it blank apart from I've made a cluster which is kind of like a hidden paper clip. So it's living there for now, but it can be moved about. And I've got a little card. I'm not really sure where that came from at all, but I thought it went in. Again, I've backed it with the lined paper, so that can just live there. And then this page, I've just made a wee kind of collage decoration on. And then the colours change, and it's kind of a bit abrupt because of the way that I wasn't able to print double-sided, but I've kind of got it so that it works. So I put some more lace on here because of this lace sort of border. I thought that kind of went together, and then again made some little bits of page decorations for both of these pages. This is a piece of my vintage lace. It's just a tiny piece of it, but I like it. I've made a tuck spot here with one of the little postcards from the kit. This is, apart from the little Victorian girl, my other favourite image from the kit, this little boy in a hammock. Actually, I'm just going to bring him up because you can see him a bit more closely now. I love him. And I would have loved another one of him. So I've got 2 tags made from images from the kit. These are extras, and just back them with a couple of scraps from the kit. So they're living there. This one I've just kind of decorated a bit and left. And then on this page I've got a lace belly band, and I've just put this little postcard in. I just love the fact that there were pinks and blues in it, so I thought it went really well. And it's one of those sort of museum postcards, I think this one was a selection of still lifes. So this page, again, very simple decoration, just this little girl and a wee label. And I've left the final page blank. And then I've got another pocket here with a wee cluster. And I've got various bits of ephemera in here. I'm not quite sure where I found that. The little shoes from the kit. So that was in. I've made 2 tags from the kit and added a few bits of my own. Again, just a little strip of paper for a little bit of something at the back, and one of the postcards. There was a set of 4 pretty postcards in the kit. So this is my, I suppose I'm not even going to call it finished. It's I feel like I'm flying a holding pattern with this. I'm not quite sure where it's going to go. Once I've got the printer going again, I might do something a bit different. But at any rate, I've got something, and it's so pretty. I'm very pleased with that. And that's it. So thank you all very, very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video, hopefully in a bit more timely of a manner. So see you all soon. Bye-bye.